I'm Dr. Brantlinger. The title of the course is Mathematics in Science Education Policy, Professional Development, and Teacher Preparation. The primary goal of the course is to introduce graduate students to research that examines reform efforts aimed at improving mathematics and science education. So that includes sort of professional development to increase teachers' knowledge or knowledge of instructional pedagogies, curricular reforms, things like that. It serves as a starting point for people who want to do research on professional development or teacher preparation. The course is largely discussion-based. Some of those discussions are driven by students, so each week one student prepares basically a discussion or an activity around one of the readings. That's usually an hour of the course, and then I structure the other activities. So there are two main course assignments. The first is an evaluation. So people go out and observe either a professional development typically or a methods course. And basically they talk to the instructor or the professional developer and what are the goals for that session. And based on the observation, did that session meet those goals? The second is writing a mock NSF proposal, so National Science Foundation proposal, which is a nice way to sort of take a first stab at potentially writing a dissertation study proposal, a short one, and getting feedback on that. So it's lit review and methods, and then how would you set up a study to answer research questions. The other thing that I would add about the course is we spend a lot of time looking at theoretical frameworks that people are using and thinking about how those are used in different studies. But also we develop a theoretical framework as a group because a lot of the readings fit into this framework of there's a policy that wants to change instruction or something about teachers or teaching, and how do you enact that? So often through professional development or curricular interventions or sometimes through teacher preparation. And then what kind of effects are you going to measure? Student achievement, teacher retention, those kind of things. So looking at this sort of framework over time and thinking about it in light of other frameworks and how frameworks are used, basically.